Hello, this video shows you how to configure EZLynx integration on ReFocus AI portal. As you log in into ReFocus AI, click the settings menu item in the left nav, and then you hit the connections. You see the connection tiles here. These are the names of AMSs that we currently support. On the EZLynx tile, click the connect button. It takes you to the guided flow to configure EZLynx connection with us. The first page that you see is for authentication, and it is divided into two steps. Step one, where we configure some of the information like organization ID, MFA, etc. So the first step is to enter the organization ID. This is the organization ID that you have in EZLynx platform. We have a support article that can help you figure out where and how you find the organization ID on EZLynx platform. Getting the organization ID, you can just enter it here. I'll just enter a made-up number, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I confirm. So this gets saved in our system, and you get a notification right here on the screen, it says it's completed. The next step is to configure MFA forwarding setup. So here, first of all, we explain to you here how to set up the email rule in your client, whether it is Outlook or Gmail. We have a support article that takes you through the steps that are needed. So please set up the rule and auto forwarding on your email system. And then in here, then you enter the username and password to EZLynx portal that you use to log in there. I'm going to enter some test credentials. So test. When I hit validate email, our system in the back end goes to EZLynx, uses these credentials, and logs in. And then EZLynx will send you the MFA code. Then that code would then be forwarded to this email address. So once you enter the username and password, hit the validate email button here. And then we show you the message that have you set up the forwarded MFA email on your site. And so then you click confirm. As you do that, our backend is now going to EZLynx and logging in and doing that flow. So you will see an update here as it does it. So as you can see, our backend has now done it. It logged into EZLynx. EZLynx sent you the MFA code, and you have forwarded that to us. So that complete feed, the loop is completed, and we are good here. The next step here is the email confirmation. This is a requirement from EZLynx. They require that your agency gets connected with ReFocus AI on EZLynx platform. We have a KBA here, a knowledge article that talks about the details. And if you have already sent that particular email to EZLynx, no further action is needed. But you haven't, if you haven't, then click the send email to EZLynx to request API access button here. This opens up the email client that you have. It could be Outlook or Gmail, and we have pre-populated the email address to which you have to send the email to EZLynx. and CCing our support. We have pre-populated the subject that they expect, and we have also filled the content, the body of the email with placeholders. So you put in your agency name here, your EZLynx account ID if you have it, your primary contact, name, email, and phone, and of course, you fill in this information here. Once you send that email, you have to wait up to 48 hours. So EZLynx responds within 48 hours. So they connect your agency with us on their platform and they confirm back to you that, hey, we are done. At that point, please come back to our portal on this page and click confirm EZLynx approval button here. As you do that, we are basically showing you the confirmation message that you have gotten the response from EZLynx. If you haven't, then click not yet. If you do have the confirmation, please click yes, confirm. At this time, we have completed the steps on this page. As you can see, at each step, you get a status update on right here next to the title. Completed, 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 right? So once you have completed this page, now you can hit the next button. On this page, you have to upload a CSV, comma separated values file, and a spreadsheet wherein you have the applicant IDs from your system, from your book of business. We have a template here that you can click to download. We have a support article that explains to you what this file is, how to create it, what information goes in, where do you find the information in EZLynx. So we have a full article on that. Once you have that file, click select files. It opens up the dialog box from on your computer. Select that particular file, and then you submit it. And from there on, you go to the next step for notifications and CRM connections. This concludes this video. Thank you.